Her name is Sarah. Sarah.
Whose name is Sarah?
My bird.
عصفور اسمه Sarah?
Yeah. She's a girl.
She's a girl? What kind of bird is that?
A lovebird. Her neck was so tall when she did that. Get right back on me. Bird. And she's going to climb up. She just climbed on. You don't do that. Climb up. Don't do that. I just touched her. It hurts her. I just touched her. Yuck. Yuck. You scratched me.
Girls مش شايفة أنا حبيباتي. Let me just see you and the birdie. You. أشوفكم مع العصفور. وين راح تنزل تحت فستانك؟
Yeah, he wants to bite my skin. Stop it! He's not going on my skin. Silly goose. What a baby boy. What a baby boy. What a baby boy. Come on. Yucky. Put it down. Good girl. You're a girl. Good girl. I need to be a girl. A girl. Oh no! Sarah's a boy, so no, Sarah's a girl. Well, I could name him Tom if I want to name him Tom. Yeah. That's a beautiful name. Yep, that's a beautiful name. Beautiful. You're beautiful.
Girls مين جاب لكم العصفور هذا؟
رانيا. She loves to play. She loves to play.
Joseph.
No, it's okay, Donna. Go, hurry. Mother's afraid.
Wait, Joseph, wait, Abby.
She thinks that I'm safe already. House or a big house or else shaped like a ball, or maybe it's a little house or a big house or a shaped like a ball, or maybe it's a little house or a big house or a glass or shaped like a ball, or maybe it's a little house or a big house or a shape like a ball, or maybe sleep and be. Everything eat and sleep and be. Yeah, eat and sleep. We don't know to be and sleep and be. Everything you care about. Mom, feel this. This is all dry. Or maybe it's a big or a little house or a big house or a shape like a ball.
Is that your painting? شوفوا. Wow.
Paper.